Hello dear student, now we will discuss what is coding because in this series we are going to learn programming. We will see lots of coding. So first you should know what is coding. So let's see, coding is the process of using a programming language. Means for doing coding, first we decide a language, programming language. So for example, language means in day-to-day life we use language for communication purpose. So in case of computer, we must learn programming language. So that language is nothing but a coding. Okay. So to get a computer to behave how you want it to. Every line of code tell computer to do something. And a document full of lines of code is called a script, and every script is designed to carry out a specific job. For example, in day-to-day life we use a language for the communication purpose, and because of that we do specific task also, we do specific work also. It helps us to carry out particular job. So in case of computer there is the same thing, we have to do code, and for that we use particular programming language. There are lots of programming language. We select specific language, and then by using this code we write a script. You can see we write a program which contain 3 line, 5 line, 10 line. It is according to the condition. It depend on what kind of work, what kind of output you want from the program. So coding means first we select a programming language and then we write the code there. Code means block of statement. We design the script, and whatever the job you want, whatever the result we want, according to that we write the code. For example, we want a plus b equal to c, means we want to perform addition of two number. Then in computerized way, in programming way, we write a specific code like a plus b equal to c, where these are the variable and a and b will take some values. Suppose a will take 2 and b will take 3. Okay, so these are the values, and this taking values is nothing but input. In programming language we say taking value is nothing but input. So this is known as input task. And actually in computer there are 3 stages: input, process and output. So input means to take the value, process means perform operation. So here which operation is there? Addition. So that is known as processing part. You can say it's a process. And next one is output. Output is a result. So that result will be stored in variable c. So it will be 5. So that is what the result. And result is known as output. You can also say it's output. So in now code, your code represent 3 things: input, process and result. Result means output. So in input part, we take some values, and that value will be provided to the variable like a and b, and then we process it and get the result. So that is what output. So suppose you want multiplication of two number, then your code will be a into b. If you want subtraction of two number, it will be a minus b. So means it depend on result, it depend on job. Whatever result we want, according to that we write the code. So this is the sample example. And people who make code are called programmer, means those people who are going to do some specific code. So that person itself a programmer or coder or developer. They all work with computer to create website, app, games. So those people who design the coding for website, or in short you say, if they are creating website, various mobile app, various cartoons, animation, game. So those who are creating this, they are the developer, they are the programmer, they are the coder, because their job is to write the code for creating website and app and game. Because that website doesn't create in one day or in a few seconds. For that, whatever developers are there, they first decide what content will be there in the website. So according to that, they do the planning, they do the coding, and then they get the website ready. So whatever the coding and whatever the script they make, whatever the script they make in particular language, so that script, that writing code is known as a coding. So in the coming classes we will see the coding, we will see many programs. So if you are able to create programs by using computer, then you are the programmer. Okay, and by using this programming skill you can create various website, you can create app, you can create game. So here suppose you are using Scratch, then by using Scratch you can create the games, you can create the story. Suppose you are using HTML, you can create the website. Suppose you are using Android platform, so you can create the app. So that is what, if you are creating the code for getting the particular output, so it means that you are the programmer. So in the case of steps of coding, we write the code in high level language. So that language, we whatever the language we select, mostly we write the code in English. Suppose you are writing in English, that is what high level language. But programmer doesn't understand, sorry, your computer doesn't understand this language. Your computer understand only binary language. Okay, so whenever you type the code, there are these three stages: high level language, then a translator translate your high level language, and actually it translate this language into binary language and you get the output. So basically whatever the code you write, it is in high level language like in English. So whatever the code we will write, it will be in English, and then computer is having translator which will translate this language into binary. Binary means it is in coded form, it is in 0 and 1, because our computer basically understand only 0 and 1. It's a machine language, it doesn't directly understand high level language, so it will convert this into the binary by using translator, and then only we will get output from the computer. Because for getting output, from getting result from the computer, first computer should understand what we are doing. So whatever the code we will write, it will be translated in binary language, and then computer will give the output in high level language itself, so that we can understand. So what happens here, first we write the program in high level language, then translator will convert into binary. Okay, so that computer can understand. Then by again taking the help of translator, binary language will give output in high level language, because as a human being we understand only high level language. We can understand binary also, but it is difficult. So there is a conversion, it is required, high level to binary so that computer can understand, then again binary to high level so that programmer can understand the output. So that is the process. This complete process is taken in computer. So this is the introduction of coding, and I hope you got some idea. So you will do lots of coding, and I hope you will be able to do the code. So thanks for watching this introduction tutorial. Thank you.